Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the Wi-Fi option is not showing up on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent internet connections, select the run button. And then I'd recommend following along with any prompts it suggests here. And then you can also go down underneath other and select where it says network adapter and then the run option that corresponds to it. And then once again, follow along with the on-screen prompts here. And then hopefully it should have been able to resolve the problem as well. So that's a secondary option I recommend trying. While we're already in here, of course. We can also try and reset our network settings back to default. So make sure you have your Wi-Fi code nearby because once you reset your computer after the next step we're about to perform, you will need to enter that back in if you want to get back online. So anyway, once you have that, you're going to open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, you want to select network and internet. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down where it says advanced network settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And then underneath more settings, select network reset, reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN, client software, or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. Now you will need to save and close out of everything that's open within 5 minutes, but we're going to go ahead and just take the initiative and restart our device at this point. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And then if you go connect back to your Wi-Fi, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.